Hey guys, Anthony here with a video on GDPR, the EU's General Data Protection Regulation, a new digital privacy regulation which comes into force on May 25, 2018. This is EU's new approach to online privacy in order to protect and empower individuals on how their personal data is managed online. It replaces the archaic 1995 Data Protection Directive, which was quite outdated, especially since the advent of the Internet. Some of the key GDPR requirements include consent to use personal data, privacy by design, right to access data, right to be forgotten, data portability, data rectification, and data breach notification. I've created a separate video that covers these GDPR requirements in more detail. I've also created a separate video to help you determine if GDPR applies to you. It's important that you understand what GDPR is and if it applies to you. Non-compliance with GDPR can result in hefty penalties, up to 20 million euros, or 4% of global annual turnover, whichever is greater. If you have a WordPress website, you can check this WordPress plugin, which will help you remain GDPR compliant. You can check the link in the description section. Well, hope you found this video useful. If you've got any questions, please leave them in the comment section. And thanks for watching.